Just want you guys to see what I'm walking through, how many trees are down around here. And that could almost be like an X right there. But really the good tree work here are these two. There's this guy coming down here. As you can see, it's even twisted. Oldie but a goodie. And this dude over here is bent way down, pinned down, I believe, by this one coming across, as well as this one coming up over it. That's a pretty significant break right there. I might have to go up and take a picture from the top angle. But so many things down in the trail. Having to walk over all of it. Granted, there are cut marks, so maybe some fire mitigation was done, or it had been cut because shit was blocking the trail a long time ago, and then they just gave up. But they got this part of the mountain X'd off. But they say that the Sasquatch like to hang on the north side of the mountain, and that's exactly where this is. So anyway, that's a good little break. Nothing major, but not a break, I mean a bend, but it's cool being out here where nobody else is hiking, even though I'm not really supposed to be. I'm being peaceful and picking up trash, and I'm just checking it out. Definitely staying wary of all the wildlife out here, because there are plenty of dangers out there. But there's really no feet marks out here. Hi, bud. Yeah, okay. See, there's raspberries growing down there. Mosquitoes out here, though. No human prints at all on the trail. May have rained within a few days. So anyway, pretty cool. Somebody might have walked through here. Looks like that's something. I don't know if it's a person. That might be the Bigfoot stepping. If you look, it kind of looks like the heel coming up to a toe. Hard to tell though. But honestly it does, because look, there's a left, there's a right. Check it out. There's the left foot, there's the right foot. Here's the other left foot, here's the other right foot, which is where I'm gonna, end up stepping. But yeah, this is loose terrain. That's pretty fucking steep, I tell you what. So it could be them out here. Hard to tell what's across there. Man, this is cool out here. Looks like some big rocks and breaks. I might have to go over there. I'm trying to save my battery, but just giving you an idea of the rough terrain I'm in, the beautiful area I'm in, the serenity, peacefulness. You don't get a lot of ferns in Colorado. That's really nice to see. I love ferns. Growing all through here. All right, wanted to keep the camera rolling just in case something happened or I came upon something. Really beautiful woods. All right, guys, take care.